Feeling tense, drained, stressed, and just can't seem to relax? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple stress relief techniques that actually work. And the best part, you can do them anytime, anywhere, in under just 2 minutes. Hi, I'm Fay Epps, a nutritionist and a certified health coach. And after over 30 years teaching health and wellness, I've learned that the best stress relief doesn't come from doing more. It actually comes from doing less, doing what helps your body reset. So let's go through 5 quick techniques that will help you feel calmer, faster. Number 1, 4-7-8 breathing. I like to call it instant reset. This first technique is one of my favorites. It helps calm your nervous system and lowers stress hormones in just seconds. Let's try it together. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for 7. And then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Try one more. I'll be quiet. You do it. Feel that shift? That's your body moving from stress to safety. Number 2, shoulder roll release. Wow, does stress love to hide in your shoulders and neck? So let's loosen that up. Sit or stand tall. Now, roll your shoulders slowly back. And now slowly forward. You can wiggle a little. Notice how even 2 rolls can soften that tight, heavy feeling. Number 3, mini meditation. This one's about giving your mind a short break. Not clearing your thoughts, just slowing them down. Close your eyes if you can. Take 1 slow breath in and then exhale fully. Now with your eyes closed, focus on one word. Maybe calm or peace. Even 60 seconds of stillness helps quiet your racing thoughts. Number 4, aromatherapy moment. Essential oils like lavender or wild orange calm your body almost instantly. All you have to do, take a drop, rub your hands, then cup over your nose, and inhale. That scent triggers the relaxation center in your brain, which is why even 1 slow breath can shift your entire mood. Now, number 5, gratitude or mind reframe. When you're feeling really stressed or overwhelmed, pause for just even 10 seconds and say one kind thing to yourself. It could be as simple as, I am calm, or I am doing my best. It's amazing how your body softens when your words become more gentle. These 5 techniques are simple and quick, but powerful. And when you use them regularly, your body learns how to relax. It's called the relaxation response. If you want an easy way to start, grab my free 2-minute stress relief audio. The link is below. It walks you through a guided breathing you can do anytime you feel overwhelmed. And if this video helped you feel calmer, hit subscribe, because next week we'll talk about why relaxing doesn't always work and how to fix it. See you then.